When I was a little girl, I went to the dentist, and I had a horrible experience, and the dentist hurt me. So from then on, I was very afraid, horribly afraid. And as I got older, I started having panic attacks when I went to the dentist. So I ended up only going to the dentist when I was in having a really bad issue. I have been to dentists that said I was stupid and it was too late and it was all my fault. I went to a dentist that said, since you obviously don't care about your teeth, I don't want you in my practice. So as the years went on, the big black cloud over my head got worse and worse. And finally in 2009, my New Year's resolution was that this was the year I was going to have all my teeth pulled and have dentures. And I got a brochure in the mail from a doctor named Dr. Hughes and her staff at the Boulder Valley Dental Center. And the word gentle just popped right off the page. And I thought, okay, if I have to go through this, at least maybe they can do some gentle. I called and I made an appointment. I walked in the front door and I had a horrible, horrible panic attack. And her staff just kind of hugged around me and held my hands and walked me down to the chair and sat me in, and before I know it, there I was. And Dr. Hughes said, you're right, you have severe gum disease, but you're wrong, you don't have to lose your teeth. So that was great. That was awesome, although I was very afraid and scared that I wouldn't be able to get through her procedures to save my teeth and my gums. Dr. Hughes is an expert at the LANAP procedure, and she put me to sleep. I took a pill. I went to sleep like a princess. I woke up, and my gums were healed. I never had any pain. It was in one session, and if you got any of you out there who see this and know what having pockets are, they're bad. I had 7 and 8s, and a year later I have 1, 2s, and 3s. And I wouldn't have been able to do it without Dr. Hughes and her staff. And my gums are still healing, and so not only did I keep my teeth, and not only are they healthy, but I got a beautiful smile. They told me, Dr. Hughes and her staff told me, that I could do it and I was worth it. And if you look at me today, I guess you can decide for yourself if you think I was. I think I am. And this is just to thank Dr. Hughes and her staff for changing my life.